Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to free up storage, remove unused apps or clean up your iPhone properly, you can uninstall apps directly from settings. In iPhone settings 2026, this method gives you full control and clear storage details. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to uninstall apps using iPhone settings in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, tap settings. Okay, so this is where storage and app management live. So scroll down and tap general. So now tap iPhone storage. Your iPhone will load a full list of apps and storage usage. So scroll through the list and tap the app you want to remove. Okay, so you will see app size, documents and data size, last used dates. Okay, so delete the app. So a confirmation pop-up will appear after you, for example, choose a app to remove. So for example, let's take this as an example. After you tap delete app, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Okay, so tap delete app again to confirm. So once it's deleted, the app is removed completely. Okay, app data is erased. Okay, storage space is freed. So you may also see offload app. So offload means removes the app but keeps data, but delete the app removes app and data for good. Okay, so choose delete app for full uninstall. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.